how ChatGPT can supercharge your content creation. Are you spending hours staring at a blank page struggling to come up with content ideas? What if I told you there's a free AI tool that can generate endless ideas, create detailed outlines, and even help you write full articles in minutes instead of hours? Today, I'm showing you exactly how ChatGPT can transform your content creation process. Introduction. Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Kalaverse AI. If you're a blogger, YouTuber, or any type of content creator, you know how challenging it can be to consistently produce fresh, engaging content. ChatGPT is like having a brainstorming partner available 24/7, and the best part? It's completely free to get started. Section 1. Generating ideas. Let's start with the biggest challenge, coming up with ideas. Instead of spending hours researching, you can simply ask ChatGPT something like, "Give me 10 blog post ideas about home gardening for beginners." Within seconds, you'll get responses like, "How to start a herb garden in small spaces," or "5 easiest vegetables for first-time gardeners." But here's the pro tip. Be specific with your prompts. Instead of asking for fitness content, try asking, "Give me 5 YouTube video ideas about at-home workouts for busy parents with only 20 minutes to spare." The more specific you are, the more targeted and useful your ideas will be. You can also ask ChatGPT to analyze trending topics in your niche or help you put a unique angle on popular subjects. For example, what's a fresh angle I could take on the topic of productivity apps? Section 2. Creating outlines. Once you have your idea, ChatGPT excels at creating structured outlines. Let's say you want to write about budget-friendly meal planning. You could prompt, "Create a detailed outline for a 1,500-word blog post about meal planning on a budget, including main sections and key points to cover." ChatGPT will give you a complete structure with sections like setting your budget, essential planning tools, weekly meal prep strategies, and money-saving shopping tips, each with specific subtopics. This saves you the mental energy of organizing your thoughts and ensures you don't miss important points. You can even ask it to adjust the outline for different formats, like turning that blog post outline into a 10-minute YouTube video structure. Section 3. Writing full articles. Now, here's where it gets really powerful. ChatGPT can help you write entire sections or even full articles. Using our meal planning example, you could say, "Write a 300-word introduction for my blog post about budget-friendly meal planning that hooks the reader and explains why meal planning saves money." You can work section by section, asking ChatGPT to expand on each part of your outline. For instance, write 250 words about the best apps for meal planning, including specific app names and their key features. The key is to review and edit what ChatGPT produces. Think of it as your first draft writer. It gives you the foundation, but you add your personal voice, experiences, and unique insights to make the content truly yours. Conclusion. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more content creation tips, and let me know in the comments how you're using ChatGPT. ChatGPT isn't going to replace your creativity. It's going to amplify it. By handling the heavy lifting of idea generation, structuring, and initial drafting, you can focus on what you do best, adding your unique perspective and connecting with your audience. Start with simple prompts today. Pick one piece of content that you've been putting off and ask ChatGPT to help you brainstorm ideas or create an outline. You'll be amazed at how much faster your content creation process becomes. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more content creation tips. What's the first piece of content you're going to create with ChatGPT's help? Let me know in the comments below.